Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn from Florals.com, and today I am very excited to announce that today is finally my 4,000 subscriber giveaway. I know we're almost to 4,200 now. You know, we kind of grew really fast since the beginning of the year when I reached 4,000, but I still want to do this giveaway, and I finally gathered together a bunch of supplies and figured out what I wanted to do in order to give back to you guys, because honestly 4,000 people is crazy. I know there's a lot of crafters out there, but I appreciate each and every one of you for watching my videos and for tuning in every week and whenever you can to watch my process videos or watch my series or the collabs I do. It's all so much fun, and I really appreciate you guys giving me this outlet that has been so fun, because it wouldn't be nearly as fun if I didn't have the comment section or people to talk to. So it's been really fun over these last 10 years, building this channel on and off and really having fun with it. And I know I didn't do anything for my 10-year anniversary at the end of last year in August. Technically it was my 10-year YouTube channel anniversary, so I guess this kind of counts in that as well, because I have been saving up for some giant giveaways for quite some time, and I'm really excited to bring these to you guys today. So I do want to say that this is open, US, international, but I do want to say that these aren't specific prizes. It's more of just like a random pile of stuff that I've accumulated over the years. I love doing giveaways, and I know it's a lot of work in terms of orchestrating them, communicating, and then, you know, finally shipping it out and all that stuff. But I want to get some of this lovely crafty goodies out of my giveaway drawer and giveaway box so that someone can use them and appreciate them. So like I said, I've been collecting for a while. So I guess I'll just start going through some of the items and then explaining more about what I've enjoyed over the past 10 years. So as I go through these items, essentially what's going to be happening is you'll get at least one thing from each category, essentially. So the prize packs are pretty much even, but essentially there's going to be 3 prize packs. And again, this is open internationally, so we'll see how that goes when we get to it. But essentially I have tons of different items that I want to give away, things that I've bought, you know, I've had in bulk, I bought 2, or, you know, wanted to share them with somebody, or found great deals, so I bought 2, or had duplicates that I don't want, or they're not my style, which has happened a lot with those grab boxes and grab bags, or some older supplies, like this is from 2011. It's a card kit I never made, but that might be somebody else's style. We also have gently used products. So essentially what's going to happen is you're going to get mostly new products. Everyone would get a stamp, everyone would get, you know, the designer products, and then everyone's also going to get gently used products. So I have some stamps that I've used once or twice, but no longer want. We've got tags, we've got rub-ons. There's a lot of different types of stuff, and I want to make sure that you guys are, you know, excited about this. And I know it's not just about the new supplies, but it's also about the appreciation factor, and I sincerely appreciate all of you who come to my channel at any point, at any time over these past 10 years. It has been an absolute blast to be able to have this outlet where we can share things and talk about things and learn from each other. And I know that the comment section has helped me as well as so many other people. So I know it's worthwhile for me, although it is a ton of work. It's worthwhile for me in the end because I get to talk to so many different types of people and learn so many different things from you guys. Like there's just so much that I've learned over the course of 10 years here on YouTube, and I also appreciate everyone who supported me on my other platforms I've gone to, like Instagram and Patreon and Facebook, and it's just been absolutely crazy. It's crazy how fast it's grown. I know 10 years seems like a long time, but we started ramping up pretty quickly after I relaunched in 2014 back into my YouTube channel and starting to go by Gray Florals, which is my blog title, and most of my handles on social media are that. But it has been an absolutely crazy time. And I do want to mention this giveaway is not sponsored by any of these companies. These are just things I had that I want to pass on, that I've had duplicates of or no longer need or serve me. So back to the purging that I talked about a couple back in Falling Back to Basics, probably. Yes, some of this was purged from my stash, so what is no longer mine is now yours. So I guess you guys are probably waiting to figure out how to enter. This will run from today, March 5th, through March 19th. So you have 2 weeks to enter. So we'll announce the winner on March 19th, and I will be doing that on Instagram and Facebook. I'll be announcing the winners, and like I mentioned, this is open US and international because I know I have a ton of international followers, and while I might try to pick some of the smaller items for your pack, I'll try to make it so everyone can request one thing that they really wanted, because I don't want you to get things that you really don't want either, but we can't make it too choosy because then people are going to want the same things, and but I do want to pass stuff on and I want to give back to you guys. And I have all these great things from, designers. We got Tim Holtz, Amy Tan, Sizzix, Momenta, Creative Imagination, Spiegelbaum Scraps, Motion Crafts, Pink Fresh, Autumn Leaves, Heidi Swap, Maggie Holmes. There's more over there. Mamby's over there. More American Crafts. There's a lot of good stuff here. So like I said, you have through the 19th to enter, and here's what you have to do to enter. Again, it'll be in the description in case you guys miss anything, just to double check. But you need to be subscribed to my channel because obviously this is to give back to my subscribers. Then you'll also want to leave a comment on this video telling me what your favorite thing has been on my channel. If you liked a specific series, or if you like specific process videos or technique videos that I've done. I just love getting that kind of feedback so I can see where we should take the channel next. So any video ideas you have, I'm always listening. You guys have some awesome video ideas, and I can't wait to share them with you once I get some new series going once we get through the current one we're in. But like I said, the main points: subscribe, comment down below with something of that nature, and then like this video, and the winners will be announced on Instagram and Facebook on March 19th. So now that you know the details, I hope you will join us for this giveaway. Again, this isn't even all the stuff that I have. I have a giant box. I have a giant drawer full of stuff that I need to give away. And so there's going to be some big boxes of stuff. There's going to be like those padded envelopes of things. I'm going to try ship them economically as possible. So we'll have to see how that all works out in terms of boxes or padded envelopes and whether they're international or not. But I'm going to be using the random comment picker to pick the winners. So it's all randomized. It's open for everyone in the world. And I hope this is, giving back enough to you guys. And I wanted to make it 3 prizes because, again, 4,000 people is a lot. And 3 people winning is a little bit better than maybe 1, or it's the least I can do is open it up to 3 different people to win a bunch of goodies. And I do have a big box full of stuff. Again, it'll be brand new and gently used items because I want to be able to pass things on that are still usable. Like this stamp set, I've only used them once. I think it was actually on a cat layout. But I want to make sure I can pass these things on. But I have some great products, a lot of duplicates from my stash, or things I've bought twice of because I knew I wanted to do a giveaway. But I really hope you guys enjoy this giveaway. And please let me know what your favorite part has been. That's definitely one of my favorite things, is responding to you guys in the comments, because again, none of this wouldn't be any fun if it weren't for you guys and the interaction that we get. And it's just a ton of fun, and I hope you guys do find you're having fun here or on my other platforms where you interact with me. But thank you guys so much for supporting me. 4,000 people, almost 4,200 people is absolutely insane. I never thought I would be in a position like this. When I hit 100 subscribers or 300 subscribers back probably in, I don't know, at that point it was probably like 2010 when I probably hit those numbers. It wasn't even on my radar to be able to see this many people come to one place. And it has been absolutely insane. And I can't believe people are following me over to Patreon and following me on Instagram. It's a lot to keep up with creative inspiration. And I'm glad that I could be a creative outlet for some of you and inspiration for some of you, because a lot of you inspire me. I follow a ton of you on Instagram, and I know I see a lot of your beautiful works of art in Facebook groups that I'm also part of. So I love seeing your work as well. I wish there were photo comments available on YouTube, because sometimes I'd love to see your stuff directly correlate to the videos that we go over, because I know a lot of you say you want to do the technique or you want to try out the new trend that I've posted about, or etc., things like that. But thank you guys so very much. I am forever grateful for all of your support, whether it's views, likes, comments. All of it makes me so very happy, and I hope you guys have been enjoying the stuff over the years. But again, 10 years of videos out there, I'd still love to know what you guys think is your favorite stuff. If it's a series, or if it's, a specific video in particular, or if it's Vlogmas, I don't know, but I'd love to know. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to enter the giveaway by following the rules in the description down below. And 3 3 will be lucky winners of some of these goodies, and I have a ton more. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again very, very soon with another video. Bye, guys!